Hello guys, in today's video let's say that we want to make an object like this without bridge. Okay, so add a cylinder, select the vertex you want to rotate onto because we select that vertex as a reference point for our turning point. So I will select this one, press Shift S and cursor to select it, then select this face, and on the left menu you will see the spin. If you try to move that, it will cause this. We don't want that. So rotate it to view. And if you again try to rotate it, you'll see how it's distort because it's based on your camera view, your perspective. So press numpad 1 to go front view. And when you press this by mouse left button, you'll see how it behaves. So we want this to be certain. So I press Ctrl to move it until I see 90 degrees. Then you will press E to extrude it. Press Auto Smooth and there you have it.